Assalamualaikum, my name is Abdul Hakim. Okay, this is module 2, lab 1.1, which is light dependent resistor with RGB. Okay, in this lab we are using LDR, RGB, a few resistor, Arduino Uno, and connection. Okay, this is the coding for module 2, lab 1.1. Okay, we start with INT sensor pin. A0 is to declare the pin for sensor. Sensor value 0 is the initial value for sensor. Okay, serial begin 900 is to make sure that the Arduino is in ready mode. Okay, pin mode 9, 10, 11 is the pin for the RGB. And then void loop. In void loop, sensor value is the coding for sensor, and then if sensor value less than 500 is condition for the sensor to light up the RGB and to turn it off. Okay, since the RGB is anode, common anode, so when it set to low, the RGB will light up, and then else the RGB will turn off. Okay, if I close this, the RGB will light off. RGB will light off. If I open, it light up. Close, light off. Assalamualaikum. This is lab 1.2, module 2. In this lab, we are using ultrasonic sensor and also buzzer. This is the coding for lab 1.2, module 2. First, we have defined strip pin 5 and 4. This is to declare the ultrasonic pin. Okay, we have input and output for ultrasonic sensor, then output for buzzer. So void loop is the process, and then here we have the condition for ultrasonic sensor. If there were an object in front of ultrasonic sensor, which is the distance is less than 15 cm, the buzzer will make a sound. Okay, at here we can see that the ultrasonic sensor have detected an object with the distance of 28 cm. Okay, if I put the object in front of ultrasonic sensor, okay, the ultrasonic sensor will detect it less than 15 cm, and then the buzzer will make a sound. Okay, when I connect the circuit, if there were an object in front of ultrasonic sensor, the buzzer will make a beep sound. So alright, that's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. Okay, this is the lab for number 2, module 2. Okay, in this lab we are using one sensor with multiple output. Here we have RGB and also buzzer. This is the coding for lab 2, module number 2. Okay, here we have defined strip pin 5 and echo pin 4. This is for ultrasonic sensor. Then void setup is to declare all pin that I use in this lab, which is pin number 3, 9, 10 and 11. Next is for void loop. Void loop is the process which is to declare all the operation that I use. Then this is the formula. Then for if, this is the condition. If the distance is higher than 0 and then less than 10, this is the condition for the lab, which is the RGB will become red, the buzzer will beep faster, and also will print the danger notes. Then else the RGB will become green. Then the OK note will be print and the buzzer will beep slowly. So this is what it should. Okay. If I put obstacle in front of the ultrasonic sensor, it will become danger. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Okay. Okay, when there was no obstacle in front of ultrasonic sensor, the buzzer will beep slowly and the light will become green. But when there were obstacle, the buzzer will beep faster and the RGB will turn to red color. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdul Hakim. Okay, this is lab module 2, lab number 3. Here we are using two type of sensor, which is LDR sensor and also ultrasonic sensor. For the output, I'm using three type of output, which is buzzer. This is RGB bulb and also motor. And I support the motor with 9-volt battery. So when I start, motor will run, but when there was obstacle, motor will stop and buzzer will turn on. When there were no obstacle, the motor will run and the buzzer stop. When the situation become dark, the light will turn on. Off. On. Off. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Hakim. This is the coding for lab number 3, module number 2. At here we have defined the trigger pin and also echo pin. This is for ultrasonic sensor. And next is for LDR sensor, which is declared the pin and also the initial value. Next is void setup, which is we are declare all the pin that they are using in lab. Okay, for number 2, I am using it for buzzer. Number 7 is I am using it for motor, and for 9, 10, and 11 is for RGB bulb. For void loop, this is the process that we want this to have. Yes, first is the sensor value. Okay, this is the calculation that will be appear on screen. Next is the condition, which is if the distance is more than 0 and then less than 10, the condition is pin number 7 will become low, and then the message of danger will appear, and then it will print or show the distance from obstacle. Then the buzzer will make a sound. The next condition is for LDR sensor, which is if the value of LDR sensor is higher than 800, the condition is the pin number 7 will become high, which is the motor will run, and pin number 9, 10, and 11 will become low, which is RGB bulb will light on. Then the message light on will appear. Then for else, this is the condition where the sensor are not detecting anything. So the number 7 is for motor, which is the motor will run, and then number 9, 10, 11 is for RGB, which is the RGB will turn off, and then the message OK will appear. Then it will show the distance. The screen show the condition is OK, which is the motor is running, and then when the obstacle is in front of ultrasonic sensor, okay, the buzzer will make a sound and then the danger message will appear. and when LDR sensor detect the dark condition, okay, the light will turn on. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.